struggling to sound more soulful when reciting? Let me show you 3 mistakes that hold you back and how to fix them. Many beginners recite in a flat voice with no rise or fall. Instead, try this simple vocal slide to add emotion. Slide from one note to another. Try Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim with a gentle rise. Speed kills beauty. The Quran deserves a calm and measured flow. Please take a deep breath. Pause slightly at the end of each word. It adds depth. Recite Maliki Yawmiddin slowly with presence. The Quran is meant to be recited with a beautiful tone. You don't need to be a Qari. Just start with one easy pattern. Try A, Ba, A, Ga. It's the start of maqam bayati. Practice it with an ayah. Ar-Rahman, Alam al-Quran. Fix these 3, and your recitation will instantly sound more beautiful. You'll feel it, and others will too, insha'Allah. Subscribe if your goal is to sound like your favorite Qari, one step at a time. See you in tomorrow's voice session, insha'Allah.